Let's take an unboxing of the Edifier W800BT Pro. Now firstly, I love the new design of their packaging. I love the picture on there. It looks really, really nice. Nice design. There's a bit more about it as well, which we're going to do details. But there's some new packaging here from Edifier, and I really like how it pops. It's good to see brands trying different things as well, which is really good. So let's take it out and have a look. Now to start with, there are the headphones straight away. So the over-ear headphones, I'll pop them out, and there's an instruction guide too, which I'll just pop to the side. Now, having a look at the headphones, now straight away you can feel, they feel really good quality. So the thing that sticks out to me straight away is these cushions. Now, feeling that on your ears, with some of the more inexpensive headphones I've reviewed in the past, these have been very plasticky. Now these feel very soft and very plush, which I think is great for all-day comfort. They've got quite a lightweight design as well, and you've got some nice packaging on there. See how soft that is when I push that in? It feels really, really nice. So there they are just there. Now, they don't feel too heavy in the hands, which is great as well. Now, as you can see, they've got different functions on the back there. So volume up and volume down. You've got your Bluetooth connection, and you've got your ANC button there as well, which works. So if we have a look at them, now these come with 45 hours of battery life, which is great. They're pumped with 40mm diaphragm as well. Now, 40mm dynamic drivers, 40mm dynamic drivers, which gives an expansive soundstage. And they've also got high-res audio built into them as well. Now they say with these, they have noise cancellation too, so you can have less than 44 decibels of noise cancellation. We're going to talk about how that works shortly and have a look at, actually demonstrate how it works. These also have Bluetooth 5.42, so latest Bluetooth technology. You can see there the nice padding. Now they use USB-C charging as well, as you can see just there. They've got large battery life too, 45 hours once again, and you get, for 10-minute charge, you get 8 hours of use, which is really good. Now these are also unidirectional as well, so they fold up really light, so you can fold them in like that. You can also use the Edifier Connects app with these too. I'm just going to put these just down there for a minute and get what else came in the package. So if we look at the package just here, we've also got your instruction guides and stuff. So let's pop that open. Just open like that. So if we have a look, so you've got the USB-C charging cable, which guys is pretty standard, isn't it? The instruction booklet there. Some really cool, there's stickers. Yeah, it looks like sticker. Just really cool leaflet. And a bit more about some of the features of the actual headphones here as well. Now, I'll just put those to the side. Now, they say it also comes with a AI core noise reduction algorithm as well. So you can use the microphones when you're using it. But we're going to test that in the further review to have a look at it. But as you can see, these look like a really nice pair of headphones. And I can't wait to test them out.